Hello everybody, welcome back to Insane Brit Gaming. I'm the Insane Brit and today's unboxing is a first for me actually. The Toshiba, I'm going to give you the actual name, it'll be in the title obviously. Toshiba TB 420EK 3AA 2TB Canvio Basics 2.5-inch USB 3.0 portable external hard drive, or 2TB hard drive is what I really want to say. But anyway. Yeah, so this is my first hard drive. I need it basically. I lost part 9 of the South Park footage, and I thought, you know what, I had some money spare, so I thought rather than waste it on a game or an anime or something like that, I think I'll buy a piece of tech what I actually needed and to back up some of my stuff. So I went with a hard drive. Obviously, an external hard drive. This does work for Xbox and for the PS4. You can buy different sizes depending on what size you want. I think like 1 terabyte is £30–40. This one, the 2 terabyte one is about 60. A 3 or 4 terabyte one, I think, is ranging around 90, depending on what you need specifically. My PC is actually 1 terabyte. So this is 2 terabytes, so that would be nice for me to back it up. And then when I back stuff up on the hard drive, I can basically delete it off my PC, give me more room to record and stuff like that, and store stuff, you know, current stuff kind of thing. Just in case I need to go back, and then I can update this hard drive later on, delete stuff that I know is already done and dusted now on my channel. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so there is a problem with my camera right now. The USB ports ain't really working, so this video may cut out, the sound might cut out, so I've got to be very careful, which is unfortunate. That means I'm going to have to go and have it fixed and everything, and I ain't got insurance like I did 1 or 2 years ago, obviously. So I'm having a bit of trouble getting this open now. And there's a simple open and slide. Okay. So I got, yeah, here it is. Oh, it's kind of small. Wow, it really is small. Hold on guys, let me just, I don't want to knock the wires and everything, because I don't want the sound to go all mucked up. So basically, here it is. Toshiba USB 3.0 hard drive, and it's got it in some French language. Easy setup, Canvio Basics 2-year limited warranty. Now I did buy this on Amazon, and I'll get to that in a little bit actually. So it's got here easy setup, drag and drop for use, and then basically, okay, there's a bunch of other languages. Okay, so that's pretty much all it's giving you for that. But I'm going to read you through some of the promotional stuff as well, some of the logistics. So it can go up to, you can get 500 gigabyte all the way up to 4 terabyte. This is the current version, not the 2016 version, by the way. So it's a 2.5 external hard drive, matte finish, super speed USB 3.0. USB powered, compatible, sorry, with Xbox One and PS4. System requirements: Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, and Windows 7. If I can go to full product details, Toshiba weighs 150 grams. Lithuanian no batteries required. Oh no, I would say 1 Lithuanian battery required. Okay, black, blah blah blah, HDD, 10 watts. 10 watt hours of energy content. Well, I don't think you need to know that much. But yeah, so basically plug in and do whatever. So let me switch back to the camera. Now, here's the interesting thing about me buying it, as I was saying about Amazon. On Amazon, this cost 60 quid, the one I've got, the 2 terabyte one, and they want £15 for 3 years insurance, or 2 years insurance, something like that, I don't remember. But it's something like 15 quid, right? And that's going to cost you about 75 overall. The link I'm going to link you to is PC World /Currys. You know, they're combined now. You go in there, you buy it. Now you can't order this. You can pre-order it. You can like order it and hold it in the store, and then you have to go pick it up. They don't actually send this to you, so you've got to go in there and pick this up. I couldn't be bothered, so I didn't do it. But I got 2-year warranty anyway here with Amazon, or the actual manufacturer. But basically, if you go into PC World, pick this up, same product, they give you 3 years, a 3-year insurance anyway. So let's just say this went wrong down the road about a year later on. I can go in there and say, look, something wrong with it. Can you look at it? And they will fix it or do whatever. So that's a better deal. So that's why I'm going to leave it in the link in the description below. If you're in the UK, PC World Currys or whatever, if you can have access to that store, then by all means go in there and pick this up if you can get to one. If you can't, you're a part of a world which is haven't got that particular store or whatever, then just order it off Amazon. You'll be fine. You may, if you want the insurance, or maybe you don't. But like I said, it's got 2 years manufacturer insurance anyway, so it's up to you. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, really? I hate all this stuff they got over it. This is not going to be pretty. Alright, I've got one part of it open anyway. Ah, this plasticky stuff. Right. So there we are, I've got it out, essentially. Alright, made a mess of it, but there you go, we got there eventually. Wow, okay, so you've got some booklets and pamphlets and stuff, but like I said, it's plug in and play kind of thing. Wow, and you get a USB thing with it as well. So this is just, I won't lie, I'm going to call that gibberish at this point. Whoop. So here you go, you've got the cable with it. I suppose you can buy a separate cable as well. They did have a promotion on Amazon where you buy the cable as well with it separately. Maybe it's a longer cable. I'm unsure. I assume that's the case, but I get one in here anyway, so. And depends if I want to bother having a longer cable. And I think most people will, in theory, just to avoid mishaps or whatever. Okay, so let's untangle this before we actually get to the actual product itself. Yes, I can see why someone might want a little bit of a longer wire, but you're not going to be wanting to stretch it too far anyway, so that's not too bad. Could be worse, I don't know. But that's the basic one you get. And now the actual product itself comes in this nice little wrapping. That's kind of heavy. Looks smart, unique. Toshiba written on it. Quite nice. Sorry it's a bit dark in here. But yeah, 2 terabytes of memory. I'm not going to muck around with my USB ports and plug it in and all that stuff. It is just plug in and play kind of thing, so, or whatever, so you can move photos and games and stuff like that. So if you want to, if you've got to download a game, for example, on Xbox or PS4 and bring it to your friends or whatever, rather than access your account and all the rest of it, or maybe, I don't know, can you even give people games with this? I think you can, maybe. I don't know, you can put it on their PS4 and then they can play it. I don't know, I'm not too sure of the ins and outs of it. Like I said, I haven't used one. This is just an external one, but this is mostly to back up my stuff for my PC. But yeah, I definitely recommend going and buying it in PC World for that 3 years insurance, costing the same price as Amazon. But again, it depends on your accessibility. But yeah, it's nice and neat. I might add on a bit where I just basically try it out and see what it's like. I have to move a lot of stuff onto this now, actually. I'm going to use it. So I'll just let you know how it actually is. And I'll catch you in a bit. Okay guys, basically I've just checked it out. It isn't working on my PC right now, and that is because the USB ports are mucked up or whatever. I'll figure that one out, but I've tried it on my laptop just a minute ago, and basically, yeah, you plug it in and it shows up, and you just move your pictures, videos all onto the hard drive, and it's perfectly fine. It's working well. No installation of anything, nothing. You just plug in and do whatever you've got to do, and which is brilliant. No downloading software or anything like that. And yeah guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I highly recommend this product. Haven't had a problem with it thus far. I've only used it on my laptop, and I'll be using it on my PC. I don't know about the PS4 and Xbox scenario. I'm not too sure if I'll even bother doing an update with that, whatever. I think I'll just leave it here, but it says it's for that, so whatever, it is what it is. Anyway guys, check my link in the description below for this product. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Links will be in the description below, as I said. Don't forget to check out my latest playthroughs and stuff, and you can buy a t-shirt, or you can donate to me via PayPal to help to pay for some of this equipment. It's up to you. If you want to help me with that, and then I can basically get more products and stuff like that to go towards the channel and making the better quality content. Anyway guys, I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.